Alright guys, good morning. Oh, yan, good morning pero almost past 11 na. 11:14 a.m. How's your Monday going guys? It's Monday again. Hello Monday again. Alright, hmm. Familiar? Yes. We are here at P. Binay Street, Makati City. Bangkal, Makati City. Yan. Hmm. Dumaan lang ako nito. Ano yun kasi bumuli ng gamot. Paano na mapakalalay? Sinabay ko na ng gamit na AirLapse. Kapat ni Mami, mga ganyan. Dito na tayo. Papuntang EDSA. Sa Wood Street, yan. How's your day going guys? Kamusta ang inyong nakalipas na araw ng Abril? Yung kahit pa paano may magandang resulta naman ang ating mga ginagawa. Just trust the process. Ako pala no? Grain Smart Cafe. Hmm. Meron siyang black pearls, which is came from tapioca. Hmm. Yun na, saying, trust the process lang guys. It doesn't matter kung gaano katagal, as long as we have patience. Patience is a virtue sa mga naghihintay ng magandang pagkakataon. Always trust the Lord guys sa kanyang right timing. Kasi sa totoo lang, habang nung mahal na araw, syempre di ka pa makalabas. As a respect. Pero napagtanto ko na yung mga paghihirap na nito, walang-wala yan sa pinagdaanan ni Job. Grabe ang hirap niya, no? Grabe ang hirap ni Job, guys. Isipin nyo, kung matindi pinagdaan natin, pinakamatindi yata pinagdaanan ni Job. Masalimot ang buhay, nagkaroon pa ng matinding karamdaman, namatayan pa siya ng mga anak. Pero yung faith niya hindi pa rin nawawala. So at the end, siya pa rin ay nagwagi with the help of God the Father. Yun. So always keep on praying guys. Pagtibayin natin yung ating pananampalataya. Although so nandun na tayo sa medyo may uncertain things na nangyayari. Pero always think of positive lang. Sa mga nagaganap na kagandahan, yung mga biyaya na natatanggap natin, na hindi naman natin i-expect. So continue lang guys, continue. Keep up the faith strong. Always keep on praying. So Okay naman guys. So, let's have this week a new start, a new adventure. Yan. Dito po tayo sa EDSA guys. Hope you enjoy my message for today. So, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and life experiences. Yan. Alright, salamat guys. I'll see you on the next one. More power to all of you. God bless us all.